So you guys were asked to look at this flow chart. And you were asked to look at whether you're going to answer yes or no to each of the characteristics. Now, we had to determine what type of quadrilateral it was based on the characteristics given, and then write that in the box off to the side. So let's review. Let's see, we have a quadrilateral. Yes. Is it a quadrilateral that has 4 right angles? So if it has 4 right angles, I know it can either be a rectangle or a square. So let's look further. 4 sides of equal length. Which of these 2 possible answers has 4 sides that must be equal in length? A square. So let's look at it. We have a quadrilateral, 4 right angles, yes. All of the sides are the same, yes. That makes it a square. If the sides aren't the same and are different in length, then it's a rectangle. So I can use this chart by saying, hey, does my shape have 4 right angles? If it does, yes. If it does not have equal length sides, it's going to be a rectangle. Now let's look down further. So now we are going to answer no. My shape does not have 4 right angles. So now I have 2 sets of opposite angles that are the same size. Yes. Okay. Now I have to look if I answer yes to this question. 2 sets of opposite angles, the same size. Yes. Now when I think about that, that narrows me down to a rhombus and a parallelogram. Trapezoids don't need to have opposite sides, angles with the same size. So look over here. If I say yes and they have 2 sets of opposite angles the same size, it's going to be a rhombus or a parallelogram. Now we have to ask, are the 4 sides equal in length? If yes, what are they? If they're not equal in length, what are they? If they're equal in length, I know it's a rhombus. Because rhombuses have to be equal in length. If it's not equal in length, I know it's going to be a parallelogram. I'm just going to put parallel. Okay? Which leaves me with just one answer. My trapezoid. They don't have to have opposite angles the same size, and they need 1 pair of parallel sides. So my last one is a trapezoid. You can use this flow chart or the one we just went over to kind of help you classify the different types of shapes in quadrilaterals and determine based on characteristics what each could be. Let's try some on our own now.